Hello, this is an exercise in what information you can find from the stockholders equity section of a balance sheet. Okay, so we've got the balance sheet partial there. It's just the stockholders equity section. One thing to note is this is in thousands. Please be careful with this in the problems because it's often going to say in thousands or in millions. So make sure that you are aware of that, because if you put in all the zeros, the Connect is going to mark it wrong. Okay, so first question, how many shares of preferred stock have been issued? Well, we look at preferred stock here and the balance is 0. So that means they have not sold any. So the answer is 0. Okay, how many shares of common stock have been issued? Okay, remember, common stock that has a par value, only the par value goes into the common stock account. Okay, so we have $20,000 in the common stock account, and it's 20,000 or 20 million. Okay, and $5 per share. $5 par value per share. Okay, we divide that out and we get 4 million shares. Okay, so remember that this is in thousands, so that means there are actually 3 more zeros out here. All right, number 3, total paid in capital is 120 million. At what average price per share were the common shares issued? Okay, so what was the price? Total here, 120 million. Okay, 120 million divided by the amount that's there. The number of shares that we calculated is 4 million. Average per share is $30. Okay, number 4, if retained earnings at the beginning of the period was 45 million, and net income during the year was $9,907,500, how much was paid in dividends? Okay, to see this, I need to move my screen over a little. Okay, beginning retained earnings, 45 million, plus net income of $9,907,500. Ending retained earnings here is 53 million. So we have to solve for the amount of dividends, right? And the number that we need in here to get to the 53 million is 1,907,500. All right, I'm going to move back over for the last couple of questions. Okay, how much treasury stock was purchased for $20 per share? Okay, and how many shares were purchased? Okay, treasury stock, we have $3,700. Treasury stock is a negative in the stockholders equity section. Okay, all stockholders equity accounts except treasury stock are normal credit balances. Treasury stock is a normal debit balance. Okay, but since we don't show debits and credits on the financial statements, this is shown as a negative amount. Okay, so treasury stock, $3,700, okay, $20 per share, okay, 185,000 shares. Okay, last one, how much was the dividend per share? Okay, and they give you a hint, dividends are not paid on treasury stock. Okay, so we're going to look at how many shares do we have that were not treasury stock, okay, and look at the amount of dividend, and with that we come up with 50 cents per share. Thank you.